Hello, this is my first assignment of the CS50W course. So here is my first page. The objective of my project was to design a front end for Google search, search image search and Google advanced search. So here is my first project name, first, sorry. So here is my first page for index.html. You click on go live, and here is my Google search page, and here I have got a Google search submit button and a Google search page. If we search anything, it will redirect this search text to the Google search engine. You can see the Google search. It has another section in Google image search, and it has a go back to Google search button also. Here, if we search anything, it will redirect to the image section of the Google search bar. Here you can see the images, and the last section was Google advanced search. Here it has four blocks of search. It will search according to the content given in all of these four blocks. Like if we search for dog, it will give, it is not matching anything because there is nothing like that. But if you will search according to your preference and all the right things, then it will obviously will give you the best result. So this was my first project of CS50W, web programming with Python and JavaScript.